Hi guys, today we're going to learn how to animate handhold camera shake, something that is adding reality to your scene. Very quick and exciting video. It's Camera Rig Friday, guys! Before we start, please help me to make my work worth the effort. Hit like, subscribe and smash the bell for notifications. All of that will be appreciated with more exciting videos. You can use any scene you've got ready. I'm using scene I built for tutorial 2 weeks ago. Handhold Camera Shake, adding another layer of cinematography to our 3D project. To start, we need to animate camera's movement first. Move a camera to starting position. Make sure we are on the frame 1. Press I and choose Lock Rod to add keyframe. Move to frame 300 and set camera at the end position. Add another keyframe. Split the screen and open Graph Editor. Scroll it to be able to see all graphs. Click on Object Transform to open it. Now, to get handhold camera shake effect, we need to add noise to some of those locations and rotations. We're going to use X location and Z location. We're also going to use Y and Z rotations. Press N and open tab on the right. Go to Modifiers, add Noise. It's way too strong. We need to reduce scale and strength. I set up scale around -15. And now strength 0.4. Still too strong, I think. 0.3 will be okay. Now Z location. Add noise. Set scale to -15 and strength to 0.3. I think it's too strong yet. Strength 0.2. Scale around -20. Okay. Set rotation. Add noise. Wow, that's crazy. We need to scale it down much more. Let's see. Okay, -235 and strength 0.2. Now Y rotation. Amplitude of rotation noise is much stronger than on locations, so our corrections must be greater. Scale -55 and strength 0.1. That looks good to me, maybe a bit shaky, but I wanted that to be a bit overdone for this occasion. If you change strength to 0.1 on all transform attributes, would give you shot with more steady hand of professional cinematographer. Thanks guys for watching. As always, please support me with your likes and comments. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and smash the bell for notifications. I really appreciate your support. See you next week guys, take care.